Hi guys, today we're going to talk about My Forex Funds, which is one of the best proprietary trading firms. We're going to dive in and do a really deep review. We've also prepared My Forex Funds discount code for you, so make sure you watch to the end. Without further ado, let's get started. With so many new prop firms coming into the market and offering Forex traders funding of up to $10 million, it can be a tricky task to figure out which firm is going to be the best for you to be working with. Each prop firm has their own pros and cons and rules, which can make or break them for Forex traders, depending on how you personally like to trade the markets. My Forex Funds is a fairly new prop firm. It was founded in July 2020 and has funded around 10,000 plus traders around the world so far. They offer three really interesting funding models and a huge scaling plan up to $2 million, making it one of the largest funds in the market. Let's find out a bit more.
So yeah guys, as mentioned previously, My Forex Funds, fairly new player on the scene. They were founded just over a year ago, July 2020. As of this year, 2021, they had a very small brand, but have now funded over 10,000 plus traders with Forex trading accounts, which we're going to dive into and discuss a little bit more in a second. But look, the firm is rapidly becoming a direct competitor of some of the largest and more established companies, just due to the great reputation they've built and also very similar trading conditions offered. Unlike a lot of other companies offering to fund Forex traders, they have three different levels. Let's exit out of that for a second. They have three different levels of structures depending on your experience as a trader, ranging from brand new to full-time traders.
So whenever I'm looking at prop firms and brokers, I really like to see payment proof. Without payment proof from other traders, even with good reviews, it is a little hard sometimes to trust a company that seems too good to be true. Luckily though, My Forex Funds are consistently paying my withdrawals. I contact live support team at the end of the month to request a withdrawal. At the time of my last withdrawal though, they did mention that their usual payment processor was having a few delays and I could either wait 3 to 5 days or take a crypto withdrawal if I wanted. I did opt for the crypto withdrawal and they paid me my profits on the same day. I am very impressed with how quickly the payment actually arrived.
In a second, we're going to take a deeper dive into these three different types of trading accounts, depending on your experience level. I think differentiating like that is amazing. It's a great feature. And look, throwing a new Forex trader in with a $100,000 live account and very strict rules is quickly going to end in disaster. I wouldn't recommend it. So breaking down the different categories, depending on experience, is a really great idea, and it makes My Forex Funds quite unique from other firms. So let's have a look at the options. Okay, so here's the three different types of trading accounts. We've got rapid, evaluation, and accelerated. So we're going to dive in and have a look at the rapid. So the rapid account is for traders that are either just reaching consistency or haven't been in the markets for too long at all. And with a rapid account, before we have a look at it, you'll pay a one-time refundable fee, depending on if you're profitable or not, which allows you to trade a demo account for the company. Let's have a look. As I'm going through, feel free to have a look on your own terms as well. I'm just going to do a bit of a summation of it all and you can have a deeper look yourself. So with the rapid account, you have quite relaxed rules on these accounts. For instance, a maximum daily drawdown of 5% with a total maximum drawdown of 12%. Now, leverages range from 1 to 50 to 1 to 500, and you must trade at least 3 times per week. Now, the best thing is that you don't have to have any profit targets. However, 12% of what you make on the demo account will be paid into a live account for you. So this means that you can literally trade a demo account, practice in the markets, grow your trading experience, and they will pay you real profits for the privilege. Again, guys, have a look through these in more depth yourself. I'm just going to do a bit of a quick summation of these. You can kind of see the breakdowns of these ones, but I do encourage you to have a look yourself as well. Okay, we're going to take a look at the next accounts. Let's go through and have a look at the evaluation account. Okay, so the evaluation accounts, they're ranging from $10,000 to $200,000 in funding. This is going to be really profitable for traders that are experienced within the financial markets. So you'll be paying a one-time fee for a 2-step challenge, very similar to or 5%ers, for example, just slightly cheaper, which is always nice. The profit split will be up to 85%. So there we go. So should you pass the challenge process, which is industry leading, so you have to trade for a minimum of 10 days during the 30-day process and through the 60-day stage to challenge 2. Now you'll have a maximum daily drawdown of 5% with an overall maximum drawdown of 12%. Now the profit target is 8% in stage 1 and 5% in stage 2, which again is one of the easiest to pass in the whole industry. And leverage for these accounts is fixed at 1 to 100. And the final account we're going to take a quick little look over and a bit of a summation of is the Accelerated. Let's dive in here. The Accelerated, which is a program built for our traders to start trading a live account from day one. The program is suitable for profitable full-time traders who want to boost their capital immediately. Now, the Accelerated accounts are definitely my favorite funding method offered by My Forex Funds. Now, this is instant funding. There's no challenge, no verification, and no monthly fee. You will literally have instant access to the trading capital ranging from $2,000 to $50,000. Now, this is more expensive than doing a challenge, of course, because the company is taking on heaps more risk than they do by checking your performance first. And that's basically why the $50,000 account commands such a high price ticket. Now, there's 2 account types offered here with conventional. Let's go down. There is conventional and emphatic. Now, the emphatic, they're both exactly the same, apart from the fact that the perimeters have doubled for emphatic accounts. So yeah, there's not too much different. You can just see it's literally doubled there. So that basically means that the next milestone to increase funding requires 20% gain rather than 10%, and the overall maximum drawdown is 10% rather than 5%, and the initial fee is doubled as well. Look, this is by far my favorite way to quickly access trading funding. Whether you're looking to test strategies viability within the live markets or pull profits out to grow your own accounts, instant funding will save you months of demo trading to pass challenges. And that's precisely why I think the Accelerated account is my personal favorite.
So what makes My Forex Funds different from any other prop firm? Well, there isn't too much to differentiate My Forex Funds from any other leading prop firms in the industry like FTMO, for example, besides the Accelerated account that offers instant funding the same day. Being similar to other leading proprietary funds really isn't a bad thing though, especially if you're a profitable trader. Let's say that hypothetically you're trading with FTMO and have $100,000 in funding. You then set up a trading copy system which is allowed under the rules that My Forex Fund sets out. You then pass a $100,000 challenge here because the rules and conditions are so similar, and now you've doubled your trading capital extremely quickly and reduced your exposure to just one trading firm.
So as good and shiny as a new prop firm is, we really need to consider whether the trading objectives and accounts offered make it possible to get capital and get capital quickly. So My Forex Funds is one of the easiest prop firms to get funding from for a number of good reasons. So as we went over before, the Accelerated accounts offer instant funding, absolutely no verification or performance-based challenge needed. The rules are very lenient with no daily drawdown limit and a low percentage gain needed. The time duration of the challenges are great, and the rapid program for beginners has no profit target. A great way to start scaling up your Forex trading capital and your skills. For these reasons, I would honestly say that if you're looking to get quick funding and the highest chance of actually obtaining Forex capital, that this company is going to be your best option right now. Beyond DT4X traders, this is by far the best offering for traders looking to sidestep a challenge and have access to instant funding. I mean, look, 10,000 plus traders, they just can't be wrong.
Forex prop firms are completely different from brokers in many respects. So they very rarely have access to liquidity or the actual markets. So they will usually rely on reputable Forex brokers to host their clients' funded accounts, which is exactly what My Forex Funds do. So what are traders saying about My Forex Funds? Well, My Forex Funds is a relatively new prop firm, as I mentioned earlier. It's only a year in the industry, but it still has a huge number of reviews to work with. In fact, when I first published this review, the company only had around 20 reviews on Trustpilot. Now it has over 493 reviews, coming in at an excellent 4.7 out of 5 stars to be exact, which is huge progress and shows how rapidly the firm is growing compared to the others in the industry. On Trustpilot and Forex Peace Army, more and more Forex traders are getting paid out every day by the firm, which is brilliant to see. Like I said, the company is growing at a really incredible rate. And there has really been a huge increase in attention for the company and therefore reviews from traders.
If we're looking at the education side of things, look, I'm a huge believer in learning elsewhere using the free resources that are online. There is so many places like Baby Pips, great place for newer traders to share ideas and really grow their understanding of the Forex market. With that being said, My Forex Funds is soon to be offering a trading academy as well, which will be packed full of educational content for us all to consume. I can't really fully critique this as it's not actually out yet, but I will update this section once the academy has been launched and we can take a deep dive into that. Look, in regard to supporting traders, My Forex Funds, they're offering a Discord server. They've got live chat and email support. You can contact them. And you can honestly get your query resolved really, really quickly as well, which is great. So yeah, they're on the up and up and really recommend My Forex Funds.
So now it's time to make a decision as to whether or not this company is worth getting Forex funding from. So My Forex Funds is a legitimate prop firm and frankly, one of the best in the industry. The whole unique selling point of offering an instantly funded trading account, an account specifically for beginner traders, a relaxed trading challenge, 1 to 50 to 1 to 500 leverage, and a great profit share is sure to attract many traders to the company over the next few years. I would personally recommend the accelerated account, as this really is the fastest way I've ever seen to obtain a large amount of trading capital without having to do any type of performance-based challenge for weeks at a time. So as shown in this review, I've received multiple withdrawals from My Forex Funds, so I can say without a doubt that the company is legit and paying traders. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to watch more reviews about Forex proprietary trading firms. We'll see you on the next one.